Today I'm going to be showing you how to take a baggie like this, little plastic baggie, and make yourself some smaller baggies. You know, sometimes you order something from the store and they come in these nice little bags like that, and you just can't seem to buy bags that size. But I can show you real quick here how to make them. So you start out with just a small baggie like this, you know, or a sandwich bag, any size bag. I took a big bag from flour tortillas and made little baggies out of them. So we're going to show you how I did that. Okay, the first thing you got to do, you got to have a heat source. So if you got a gas stove, that's fine, use that. I've got this little propane torch that I'm going to use. Get yourself a knife that you don't mind getting colored differently from being heated up, or just a sheet of metal. I've even just taken a nail, held it inside a pair of pliers. Something you can heat up. Some metal source that's fairly thin that you can heat up. I like this little electrician's knife thing here. Anyways, take yourself a baggie and lay it down flat on a surface. Wooden surface is best. I've got some laminate flooring here that I'm using. You don't want plastic because you're going to be cutting the baggie with a hot knife that will melt into the plastic that's underneath. It's important to get it flat as possible. When you lay it down, if you have bubbles in it, it may not seal up correctly on the edges. So lay it down nice and flat. I've got some washers here. Anything you've got at home will work to just keep it flat as possible. Then we're just going to take and heat up our knife. Get that nice and hot. Okay, once you got that hot, just take it and run it down your plastic baggie. Nice and carefully. All right, let's see how we did. That's the edge we sealed up. Now, if that wouldn't have been flat, I might have got some air bubbles in here and it wouldn't seal. And if that happens, you can sometimes just take your knife and just touch it up. This one was perfectly sealed, so no problem. Let's see about this one. It didn't seal quite at the top up here. Let's see if we can seal that little top part there. It didn't quite seal. There we go. Sealed up nicely. Let's do one more for kicks. Here's a bigger one. A little longer one, okay? Sandwich bag. Lay it down. Nice and flat. Get yourself something to hold it in place. Keep it flat. Heat your cutting device up. Let's cut it. Yep, that's great. Let's do this other one. Hope that was helpful. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.